Hey you guys, if you all would like to see how I got this super sleek low ponytail with the curly hair in the back, the laid baby hairs, and this style is just perfect for this heat and this hot weather. It's out your face, but it's cute. If you want to see exactly how I got it, just keep watching. Okay, y'all, so I'm starting off with my hair in these two braids. I shampooed, conditioned, did all that the night before. I just put my hair in two braids so it can last through the night. I did want to give y'all some backstory on this hair, though. This was back when my hair was long. Clearly, my hair was bleached. It was this brownish orange color because it had faded. And, one of the main reasons I cut my hair, and you can kind of see in those clips, is that my hair along the edges, but the length was starting to break off because it was a mix of me not taking care of it and then it just being in the dry state because of the bleach. And that's part of the reason why I cut my hair off. That has something to do with the video, but I did want to give you that backstory, fun facts. But since my hair was in those two braids, I'm just basically straightening up the part, as you see right here. After straightening up the part, it's time for the moisture process. So the first thing you see me do is spritz my hair with water, and then I'm going to go in and detangle, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I just want to show you right here. You're going to see me pull my edges out. That's the length of my hair that was breaking off that I was talking about. Just in the front along the edges is where my hair was breaking off. And you can kind of tell. Again, it doesn't matter for this video, but I did want to explain that. But I'm going to use this Palmer's Coconut Oil Hair Milk Smoothie as my first product. I'm going to use a nice healthy amount and work that through my hair. I'm going to continuously add more products, and I'm just going to add that to both sides. And since my edges were struggling, you're going to see me focus the product on my edges and on the nape of my hair as well. I get everywhere, but I wanted to point that out. And now I'm going to go in with this coconut oil curl styler cream pudding. It's a heavier product, and I'm using that as my second product to really ensure that I get moisture. So again, I'm just focusing really on like the roots of my hair, the part that's going to be slicked back, so the nape of my neck, my edges, and just the hair on top. And I'm just going to add as much as I need. And now I'm just working the product through my hair with my brush, making sure it's still detangled and that it's evenly distributed. And I know that y'all know how to do low sleek ponytails, so I won't call this a tutorial. I'm just showing you how I do it and have moisture in my hair, if that makes sense. So I'm going in with this oil to seal in my moisture. Then now I'm going to start brushing my hair back with my brush, just to prepare it to be gelled down, because this is a low sleek ponytail. So now it's time for the major key, this Gorilla Snot Gel. I use this every time I do a sleek style, or every time I want the style to last. And that's because this thing right here got a lot of hold. So I add as much as I want, as much as I need. And then you're going to see me start to brush my hair back with my hard bristle brush, trying to get it as smooth as I possibly can. Now that I got it super sleek and smooth, I'm going to take 2 ponytail holders and wrap it around my hair about 4 times. So the sleekness got a little messed up when I was putting the ponytail holder on. So I'm taking this fine tooth comb and just smoothing my hair back. I'm going to apply more gel and just, yeah, as you see right here, and then just take my fine tooth comb again and just smooth it back some more because I want it to look good. Now it's time for the baby hairs. So I'm just taking my toothbrush with some gel on my hand. As you can see, I'm just going to use that to smooth my hair down. And since my hair had the Gorilla Snot gel, it was a little bit harder for my regular toothbrush to get it exactly sleek. So I did go in with my fine tooth comb just to make those lines and swoops nice and sharp. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then on the other side, I actually had to spray a little bit of water on my hair to help with the movement, you will see. But yeah, just laying my edges. I do my hair in a swoop motion, as y'all should know by now, and that's how I get the little swoops. So yeah. I like doing the middle part for my low sleek ponytails for this reason right here, how I'm able to lay my edges. So just kind of pay attention to how I do it because it's super cute. And after I'm done laying my edges, I go in with a little bit more Gorilla Snot gel and apply that to each swoop just to make sure it's super secure and it stays in place. Okay, so now it's time to work on the curls in the back. So I'm actually going to do the same process that I did when my hair was down. I want to split my hair in half and wet this first section up. Do the same on the other side and detangle. And you will see me in a bit after I get done detangling the other side, just pulling it all to one side and further detangling it. So after my hair is nice and smooth, I want to go back in with this hair milk smoothie and add a generous amount and just continuously add it to my ends and the length of my hair until I think that my hair is fully moisturized. Like I was mentioning in the beginning of this video, my brown hair was bleached, so it was drier. So I am applying healthy amount, and now I'm going in with the curl pudding and applying that to my hair as well. This is more so for the styling factor than the moisture factor, although it is moisturizing as well. And once again, I'm going in with my oil mix to seal in all this moisture that I just applied to the length of my hair. Since brownish hair can also look dry, it's also going to add a nice shine as well. Now that Gorilla Snot Gel was step 1 of the sleekness. This Pump It Up Spritz Spray is step 2. So I'm just going to apply this all around my hair, on my edges, on all the parts. It's nice and flat. Everything except the length of my hair. Everything except the ponytail. And that's really going to add an extra like oomph of hold. And then I'm going to go in with my scarf. I'm setting my hair. So I'm going to put my scarf on. And I'm going to wear it for about... Well, I wore it for a while until my makeup was done. And then this is the final result with my makeup done. My makeup was popping. My hair is popping. The curls are popping. The baby hairs are popping. And then most importantly, the hair is not in my face. I won't sweat it out in this freaking heat outside, y'all. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, this is my final result. Filming so many videos today, I really don't feel like standing up and doing a whole spin around. So hopefully you get the gist of this look. So as y'all saw, I uploaded another low sleek ponytail tutorial, and it pretty much looks like this, except now I have way more new growth. Back then I literally only had like a centimeter of new growth. So now it's been a long time since I've done this style, and I just wanted to record myself do it again with new products. And obviously my hair looks different. It's a lot poofier than it was in that video, but I love the volume that this gives me. So this is my final results for this ponytail. Again, I like the poofiness. I love how sleek my hair is. I love the new growth, so my edges are black again. I love all of that, and yeah, I just love this look, and hopefully you do too. So that is it for this video. So if you liked it, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I want to see you in my next video.